Welcome to the channel. Today, we will guide you through setting Opera GX as your default browser in Windows 11. If you have been using multiple browsers and want Opera GX to open all links automatically, let's begin the steps. First, right-click on the Start icon located on your taskbar. Next, click on Settings from the list. Then, from the left sidebar, click on Apps. After that, click on Default Apps to see a list of programs you can set as default for different tasks. Then, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find Opera GX. Once you locate it, tap on its name to open the settings specific to the browser. Finally, at the top of the page, you will see the Set Default button. Click on it to assign Opera GX as the default browser for all supported file types and protocols. Now, any link you open will automatically launch in Opera GX. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with others. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.